A student asked me about this question from section 1.13 interactive assignment number 3, that if you have a random table of numbers, how do you generate a random sample? Here we have 616 registered students, and we want to select how many 5 students at random using that table that you see on the screen. So I'm going to show you how to use the table to pick those numbers. We will have to pick up three-digit numbers so that the number is between 1 and 616. Any number that is above 616 we will not consider because we only have 616 students. Here is how you use the table, so please pay attention carefully. You start with the first row, the entire first row. You read the first 3 digits, 905, that's bigger than 616, so you don't put it in the sample. Then the next one, 688, you don't put it in the sample because it's bigger than 616. Then the next one is 239, then 239 is your first number. Then you go to the second row. 577, that's a number less than 616, so you consider this one. So that's the second one. Next 3 digits, 714, no. Next 3 digit, 596, yes. You will take this one, so we have 3 already. Then you go to the third one and go in horizontally. 624, that's good. That's 4. 583, that's 5. So that's what you need to put as an answer. If he wants 6 students, look what the next one will be, 030. Is there a students by the number 030? Yes, that's a 2-digit number, but when you add a 0, it will become a 3-digit number. So this is how you use the table. I hope this helps.